brother. Good afternoon, brothers.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
My head,
My head, my heart, and my body are hot. My body are fresh.
For real, actually, I don't know what should I do, but I try my best. So I will share screen, and then I will give you one of my best website when I give my student some material. I always use this website because this is really awesome. Okay, let's screen.
Oh, sorry. Okay, please.
Okay, sister brother screen mulai sekarang. Okay, so
Hey, password.
oh, maybe some of you ever use this website, but
Oh, ya, no.
live worksheet. This website, so many kinds of worksheet you can give your student, like listening, typing, or anything. Okay, like like this. This one of example. You can give your student about daily routine, where the student can listen in the speaker, and after that the student try to guess what the speaker say, and then fill the blank, yeah, like that. So maybe I can start, and then you can try to guess what the speaker say. Okay, brothers?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will start. Can you hear that?
Oh, cannot. You should share the sound.
Oh, share the sound. How to share the sound? Or
From hand.
just maybe I can find other worksheet, yeah? Not listening. Oh my God. Wait, sorry, brother. I should back.
Shopee?
No. Oh my God, wait.
Masukin siapa?
Okay. You can share your material in here. Maybe I will try animals because I teach freshmen, so I will try this. Okay. Yeah, you can see there are many kinds of worksheet. You can choose listening maybe, or match, or anything. So I will choose this. Okay. Match the picture to the animal's name. It's good if you give your freshman class, yeah. Maybe Brother Adam can. No. Okay, so you can tarik di sini and then match where is the correct answer, like that. And after that, like that. And after you answer all the question, you can click finish. And after that, check my answer. And then you can got your points like this. So you, after that, you can ask your student for take a screenshot and then send to you directly, like that. Yeah. So if you want to find a beautiful worksheet, yes, you can use this website. So guys, that's all about my material today. I hope you like, and then I'm sorry if I do many mistakes. Thank you.
Okay, good job. That's good, yeah. Live worksheet. Amazing.
I will send later.
Yeah, so live worksheet, yeah, live worksheet, and I see my picture there. Why I can't see myself?
Bagaimana caranya dimasukin?
Stop sharing.
Okay, good job. Okay, so maybe Brother Adam will give anything.
Oh, okay, brother. Thank you. And first of all, I want to say thank you so much, Sister Abeng, yeah, because yeah, this website it's totally helpful. Every single
Yes, so
meeting,
cool.
I use this website as well. Even though I want to teach general or freshman, all of the material exists there. So it's really interactive and it's very useful. Okay, then. So today, actually, I have some kind of games. It's about spelling. And the second is I will give you material about collocation. So let's start with spelling first. I need you to prepare a pen and a piece of paper, please. Let me check one by one. Okay, Sister Abeng already has a paper and pen. Good. What about the others? So all of you can show to the screen your pen and paper, so I will know that you have the pen and paper. Okay, done, yeah? Well then, right now, I would like to mention letters, and then you try your hard to guess and write down on paper, and this is a name of person, yeah? So if you're familiar with IELTS test, sometimes we need to listen carefully about the name of person because this is listening skill. So, are you guys ready? Ready, yeah? Okay. Sister Widya and Bro Mufli, are you ready?
Yes,
Yeah,
ready.
Yeah, yes. Sister Annie,
Yes,
please
brother.
show us your
Yes.
face if you can. All right. So the first name is, in this time, I would like to spell it slowly, but after this, it will be faster. So please be ready, yeah? The first name, C A R O L I N E.
Caroline.
Okay.
Caroline.
I would like to ask Bro Riman.
Caroline.
Caroline. Okay, good, yes. Can you show us in your screen the name? Bro Riman?
Is it shown? Oh my God, so big.
Okay, good. Bro Aliando, correct. Bro Riman also. So it's Caroline, yeah? This is a Western name. All right. All of you have a good listening skill. What about the others? Is there any one of you who got confused? Ada yang tidak sampai selesai menulis namanya?
Carlo.
Okay. Well, the second, yeah. Please be ready, and I will not repeat it. Jadi tidak ada pengulangan ya. R I C H A R D. Sister Abeng.
Richard.
Okay, Richard.
Rich.
Bro ready?
Richard.
Okay.
Richard Mustafa, my brother.
Oh, Richard Mustafa, your brother. Good. Okay, the third name. This is Indonesian name, very familiar, I guess. S A N G K A L A. Anyone can guess?
Pardon me, brother.
Okay, Sangkala ya.
Sankala.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, Sankala. Not Sangkala. Sangkala is not a name. Sangkala.
Sangkala.
Yeah, Sankala is a Bugis name. Okay. Well, the last then. This is yeah, the name of city ya. Okay. I C E L A N D.
Iceland.
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 Island.
Not island ya.
Oh,
Iceland.
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 Okay, good. So based on this, I can assume that all of you have a really good speaking skill, yeah. So maybe you can apply this to your students. Maybe before you start your teaching material, you can list a lot of names. You can maybe arrange it from the easier one until the hard one, because yeah, we can choose every name that we want. So if you have a really long name, really difficult name, yeah, you can put it in a hard level. And for the easy level, maybe like Budi or Adam or your name. Okay. And there's not only a name that we can apply to this writing and spelling games, but also we can play with numbers. So if you want to train your students' ability in remembering number, so you can mention a phone number or maybe the number that has a lot of digits like 1,600 and so on. So it's really beneficial for you to know whether your students understand about number or not, and especially the freshmen, yeah, they still sometimes confused about number and also spelling, because in spelling sometimes they hard to differentiate. This is based on my experience between the letter A, E, I. Sometimes it's really confusing for them if they just learn how to read. So we need to repeat again and again until they get used to these letters. All right. So now the next thing that I would like to give you is the material. So I would like to share a photo. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, of course, Sister Widya, if you want to go to the toilet, you can go now. Okay, so wait a moment. I'll try to find, I will try to find the material. Okay. All of you can see, yeah? In your screen,
Yes.
we will learn about collocation. Okay, this is actually the advanced material. Maybe it's suitable for general, because the purpose of this material is to enrich your vocabulary level. Because sometimes when we speak, we use regular words, so it has less credit. But if you use advanced vocabularies, your speaking skill will have more credit if you talk with the native speaker, or if you talk with the person who really pay attention to the vocabulary that we use. Well, guys, collocation means that two or more words that often go together. So sometimes in English, we found that two or three words that often go together, and then we cannot separate them, because when we separate them, the meaning will be different. Or when we pair them with different couple with different words, it's wrong. It got a wrong meaning. For example, yeah, here you can see there are a couple of rules when we want to apply this collocation in vocabularies. For example, adverb plus adjective ya, fully aware. So in bahasa, fully aware means that sangat sadar. Kita sangat sadar. Maksudnya di sini fully aware, fully dan aware itu selalu dia bersama. Tidak boleh dipisahkan. Misalnya very aware. Kan kita kadang kalau speaking biasa, kita kadang bilang I am very aware about the problem. Padahal di situ very dan aware itu bukan pasangannya, bukan couple-nya ya. Tapi couple-nya adalah fully aware. Jadi di sini fully aware, dia selalu bersama, sangat sadar ya. Oke, itu adalah adverb of manner, fully, and adjective aware. And the next example is highly controversial. Highly controversial, ini artinya sangat-sangat kontroversi. Misalnya ada berita yang dia itu menimbulkan polemik, perdebatan, dan sebagainya. We can say that news is highly controversial. Jadi highly dan controversial itu go together. They always go together. We cannot say that the news is very controversial. Maybe it sounds good, maybe it sounds correct, but they not in a correct term if we use this correct collocations. Mungkin kedengarannya bagus, very controversial, mungkin kedengarannya benar, tapi pada saat kita meneliti kembali bagian kolokasinya, ternyata controversial itu berpasangan dengan highly, bukan very ya. Sama dengan highly effective, highly probable, happily married, itu adalah orang yang menikah dan dia merasa bahagia ya, pasangan yang bahagia. Oke. Dan yang kedua, adverb plus adverb. Artinya ini adalah kata keterangan plus kata keterangan ya. Pretty well. Pretty well. How are you today? I'm pretty well. Jadi pretty well itu selalu bersama ya. Bisa juga pretty good. Itu juga dia selalu bersama. Quite often. Sering-sering. Itu kalau diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Right away. Sekarang juga. Quite enough. Sudah agak cukup nih. Quite a lot, cukup banyak. Okay. And the next is adjective plus noun. Kata sifat plus kata benda. Internal injury. Internal injury ini maksudnya adalah luka dalam ya. Bukan inside injury, but internal injury. Internal organ, organ dalam. Irrepressible damage. Kerusakan yang tidak bisa lagi diperbaiki. Just cause. Apa yang menyebabkannya. Joint account. Dia bekerja sama, mendirikan sesuatu. Oke. Noun plus noun. Kata benda plus kata benda. Core values. Core values ini kayak inti nilai dari suatu benda. The core values of the pen is to writing, to write. Jadi inti nilai dari pulpen ini adalah untuk menulis. Corporate finance. Kedua-duanya ini adalah noun. Cottage industry, industri perhotelan. Creation science, ilmu tentang penciptaan. Credit union, oke. Jadi sangat banyak jenis-jenis collocation. Jadi satu-satunya cara bagaimana kita mengetahui bahwa kata ini dia berpasangan dengan kata yang lain, itu tidak ada cara lain selain lihat di kamus ya. Lihat di kamus, cari referensi, bagaimana itu list-list collocation yang benar. Jadi collocation ini bukan sesuatu yang kita karang-karang, bukan kayak rumusnya kita ikuti dan collocation-nya akan benar ya, tidak. Tapi ini adalah ada memang yang disediakan oleh kamus collocation. Tapi biasanya polanya seperti ini. Ada noun plus noun, adverb plus adverb, adjective plus noun, and adverb plus adjective. Oke, yang terakhir, verb plus adverb. Kata kerja plus kata keterangan. Go far, pergi jauh. Go first, duluan. Go upstairs, naik ke lantai 2. Atau lantai selanjutnya. Guess correctly, itu dia menebak dengan benar. Hit hard, memukul dengan keras. Oke. Jadi langsung saja ya kita latihan. So I will point of view one by one to make a sentence about the collocation, or maybe you found some collocation outside this example, so you can mention it and then you can try to put it into a sentence. So there are so many collocation out there, because collocation also includes phrasal verb and collocation also include compound noun. Jadi di collocation itu dia kadang termasuk yang namanya phrasal verb ya, kayak hang out, itu juga termasuk collocation. Dan compound noun, misalnya swimming pool, drinking water, and so on. They often go together. Alright, so let's choose the participant here. Well, first of all, I will choose Bro Yus ya. Brother Yus, are you here? You can turn on your microphone. Jadi bisa dinyalakan mikrofonnya sekarang ya, because this is like practice time. And we cannot practice if I cannot listen to your voice. Okay, Brother Yus, are you here? If you can hear me, you can say something. No response? All right, so because there is no response, I would like to choose, Sister Abeng. Okay, Sister Abeng, you can turn on your microphone now. So, Sister Abeng, what collocation that you choose?
I choose adverb plus adjective.
Yeah, what is it?
Completely stafish. Stage.
Yang mana?
Ih, dibuat kalimat kata
Yeah.
sendiri.
You make it into a sentence.
Oh, I make it into a sentence. Okay. Sehu and me have happily married.
Oh, okay. Sehun and you
My goodness.
Happily married.
happily married. Oh,
Yeah.
good. Hopefully.
Yeah, amin. Say amin, guys.
Yes.
And that's
Wait ya. Bro,
Thank you.
yes. My brother, my mom.
My God, it's really good.
Oh, okay. That's correct, brother. Go down, yeah? Go down. Yeah, it's also collocation. Go down. Well, thank you so much, Sister Abeng. Hopefully, in the future, you will married with your dream boy, yeah? Dream man. And the next is, I would like to choose Aliando. Is man or woman, brother or sisters?
I am brother.
Oh, brother, yeah. Okay, because your profile picture is woman.
Yes.
Okay. So, bro, Aliando, what collocation that you want to choose?
I think I'm going to have pretty well.
Okay, pretty well. Can you make it into a sentence, please?
Okay, I'm trying. I am pretty well in having beautiful girls.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
sorry. I'm having pretty well skill to have a beautiful girl.
Okay, you have a pretty well skill to have a beautiful girl. I guess you are a playboy, yeah? Hopefully not.
They say it's
Hope so.
boy.
Yeah.
oh my
That's
God.
good. So your sentence is correct. Pretty well. Nice. Thank you so much, bro, Aliando.
Thank you,
And
brother.
now the next is, let me choose the girl. Sister Rose, are you here?
The rose.
Rose? Sister Rose?
And she just gone.
And
my
she is
God.
gone.
She's
She
gone,
is
brother.
gone. Okay then, because she's gone, I would like to choose Bro Mufli, yeah? Hello, Bro Mufli, are you here?
Yeah, yeah. Hello, hello. Hello.
Alright. Nice to see you, Bro Mufli.
Yeah.
Well, brother, what
Yeah.
collocation that you want to choose?
I prefer right away. Right
Excuse me?
away.
Oh, right away. Okay.
Yes, right away.
Please, can you make it into a sentence, please?
Send me the meeting result right away.
Okay, sekarang juga ya.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you, Bro Mufli. That
Okay.
was a
You're
really
welcome.
nice sentence. And now, let me choose Brother Puja. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Brother Puja, what collocation that you like here? Or maybe you have another example of collocation?
I'll take a break. Take a break.
Oh, take a
It's
break.
collocation.
Yeah, sure. Take a break.
Okay. Take a break.
Can you make a sentence, please?
I will take a break.
Right now?
No, actually no.
Okay, I will take a break. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay,
And thank you so much, Brother Puja. Next,
Yes.
Sister Rani.
Oh, yes, brother.
All right. So, Sister Rani, do you have any other example of collocation?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, what is it?
Discuss calmly.
Discuss calmly. Good. Discuss calmly. Verb plus
Yes. Yes,
adverb,
verb
yeah?
and adjective.
Calmly. Calmly, I think it's adverb. Adverb of manner.
It's adverb.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, adverb. I mean.
Adverb of manner, ya. Calmly. Dengan
Yes.
tenang. Well, can you make a sentence, please, sister?
We have been discussed calmly.
Okay. Good. You discuss about what? That you discuss calmly.
Lesson.
Oh, lesson, yeah. Okay, good. We discuss calmly about our lesson.
Lesson.
Yeah. There are also another example that I remember about discuss and debate, yeah. Sometimes if we say about debate, we say hotly debate. Dia itu diperdebatkan dengan panas. Jadi kadang kalau ada topik yang jadi perdebatan, dia itu hotly debatable. Okay, now I would like to choose Bruno.
Okay.
Okay. What collocation, brother?
I agree.
Yes.
Brenda,
Okay.
you're mute. Brenda, you're mute.
You mute.
Sorry, bro. Still mute.
Yes. Wait. Yeah.
Okay. I had a serious illness in my internal organ.
Okay.
Oh my God.
We are so sorry to hear that.
Hmm.
This is not only a sentence, yeah, but this is a fact.
Yes.
So we pray the best for you, brother. Okay, internal organ. Thank you, Bro Eno, for your sentence. That was really nice and correct. Now, siapa lagi yang belum ya?
Brother, me.
Oh, okay.
Me.
First, Brother Riman, me first.
Bro Riman first.
Oh, me first. Okay.
Okay.
I will choose the adverb plus adjective.
Yes,
I will
adverb
use
plus
highly recommended.
Okay, highly
So the
recommend.
sentence is, it is highly recommended to put the corona vaccine as mandatory once it is discovered.
Wow, good. It is highly recommended to use vaccine of coronavirus when it's
To put
mandatory.
the coronavirus vaccine as mandatory when
As
it is
mandatory
discovered.
when it's discovered. Okay, highly recommended. Yeah, sure. We will try to use vaccine. Thank you, Brother Iman. And Bro Ready?
Okay, I will use adjective, right? There is pretty sure. It's what is that? Pretty sure. It's adjective.
Pretty sure.
Oh yeah.
What is it, brother?
Adverb adjective. Adverb adjective.
Yes. Pretty sure. Yes.
Yes. I am pretty sure Barramundi is not there.
He is here.
Oh, he's there. Oh
He
my
is
God.
here.
I cannot see.
And
the
he
face.
listened to you.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Well.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. So all of you done, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All of you
Yusran,
done.
yeah, brother Yusran.
Brother Yusran? Oh, tadi
Yusran
Bro
is
Yusran, ya, chat saya. Oke, Bro Yusran, are you here?
Wah, he chat you? Oh,
Yes, personally.
oh,
Wah.
executive.
Okay, Bro Yusran, are you here?
Exclusive. Yusran.
Okay, Brother Yusran, are you here? He is mute, yeah?
Yeah, I don't
Maybe
know.
he will chat me again later. I want to listen to his voice, actually. All right, so that's it about collocation. So maybe in the future you can try to use this material to teach your students, especially general students, because the purpose of this collocation is to enrich our vocabulary level and then how we can use a good collocation in our sentences. All right. So then now let's move on to the next section is about Q&A, question and answer. This is the interesting part of our sharing. So is there any one of you guys want to ask some question, maybe related with this topic or another thing? Yeah, you can free to ask.
Me, brother.
Yes.
Okay, you said that collocations related to, I mean, look like a phrasal verb, is it?
Yes. Yes. Yes, brother.
So phrasal verb is like, for example, go up, go down, get up.
Yeah. Push
And
up,
why don't you put in
hang
here?
out.
Why don't you put in?
Because the phrasal verb it has their own rules ya. Dia punya aturan tersendiri di phrasal verb. Kalau ini dia adalah collocation secara umum. Tapi bisa juga di-include itu tadi phrasal verb.
Okay. But mostly like this adverb, adjective,
Yes.
adverb,
Verb and
noun.
ya. Di sini contoh phrasal verb yang ini yang di verb plus adverb ya.
Okay. Yes.
This one.
Yep.
Okay. Just like hang out, watch out, and so on. So, is there anything else, brother?
Me.
Oh, okay.
I have ever seen a sentence like, I'm not sure if it's collocation or not because the written is just, for example, the word half used, but they write it as half and then the hyphen, then use.
Oh, hyphen.
Yes, is it included to collocation?
Can you repeat what word is that?
Like this. I will type.
Yeah. Oh, half used.
They use the
Yes.
hyphen.
Yes, brother.
Is it
It's
collocation
include.
or not?
Yes, that's a collocation. Because They go together. Mereka selalu bersama ya, half used. Dan tandanya mereka selalu bersama itu kadang ada hyphen, kadang juga hyphennya itu ada 2 ya. Jadi mereka itu juga termasuk collocation. Intinya kata-kata yang sering bersama.
Masya Allah, sering bersama.
Ya, karena mereka ini memang pasangan, tidak boleh dipisah. Karena kalau dipisah dan lain pasangannya itu kurang tepat ya.
Brother Reddy jangan dipisah.
Okay, good question. Hyphen, half used. That's a collocation as well. What about the other?
Me. May I?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you, Brother Adam, for the chance.
Yes.
How about it's like a praise, yeah? It's like
Yeah,
praise,
praise,
noun praise.
praise.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'd like to ask about, I saw that adverb plus adverb quiet enough. May I say good enough?
Good
Or
enough.
what? Yes.
Yes, of course, good
Oh.
enough.
Okay.
They often go
And-
together. Good and enough. Good enough.
Yeah.
Just
So
like
what's the
pretty well.
difference? Yeah. What's the difference between collocation and praise? in
Actually, all of the collocation is actually a phrase ya. Jadi collocation semuanya itu termasuk kategori frasa. Tapi frasa tidak semuanya adalah collocation karena pada saat kita menggabungkan 2 kata yang dia sebenarnya tidak sering bersama, itu tetap dibilang frasa, tapi itu bukanlah sebuah collocation. Jadi collocation sudah pasti frasa, tapi frasa belum tentu collocation. That's the point, brother.
Thank you, brother. It's enlightening.
Yeah.
Enlightening.
Illuminating. Okay, any more question? Maybe from the sisters?
The sister. Yusran, the sister Yusran. Ask go. Yes. Yusran is out of coverage.
Okay, Sister Rani or Sister Rabeng, do you have any question?
No, brother.
No, yeah. Well, what about the brothers?
Yeah, brother, me.
No.
No, everything is clear?
Brother, me.
Yes? Okay.
Brother, I am still confused about this is maybe not this is phrase. I don't know if it's collocations or not. Sometimes we
Yeah, what is
find like the phrase like children and then children like and also like that a compound word. What is the name of that?
Children what? Can you repeat?
Like. Children like. So the meaning
Children
is
like.
anak-anak like that. Or police wanna be, for example. Like
Can you type it in the chat, brother, so we can see it? The example.
okay, like I ever find like this or
Children like, okay. Actually, that's a phrase.
it's a phrase. Is there any like
Yes.
rules?
It is not a collocation because it has no specific meaning and it's incomplete. Tidak lengkap ya. Dan children's like itu sepertinya bukan sebuah collocation karena tidak ada makna tersendirinya. Anak-anak suka atau anak-anak seperti. Itu kan meskipun dia sering bersama tapi tidak ada makna khususnya. Kalau collocation dia itu sering bersama dan mempunyai makna khusus. Seperti misalnya core values. Core values itu artinya nilai yang mendasar. Nilai yang mendasar. Sama dengan satu kata maksudnya di sini kalau collocation. Artinya itu spesifik. Kalau itu tadi children's like, children
Or like this.
seterusnya.
Or like this.
Yeah, what is it?
Computer. Test.
Computer based test. Kalau ini betul, ini adalah collocation. Karena computer based test itu mempunyai makna yang spesifik, adalah tes berbasis komputer. Dan kata ini selalu datang bersama ya, selalu digunakan bersama. Jadi yang tadi itu adalah collocation, computer based test.
How about my
Their
the
children like behave is so. Wait.
unbearable? Their children like behave is so unbearable.
This is actually sentence, complete sentence ya.
Yes, so the children like behave conclude as the what was that? Collocation?
Their children like behave it collocation. I think it's not. Jadi bukan ya, bukan collocation. Apa artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia ini? Coba bisa
Just
kita
like
terjemahkan?
kelakuan mereka yang seperti anak-anak itu. Their children like is so unbearable, tidak dapat di.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Children like
This one,
kelakuan
okay.
anak-anak.
Children like its subject.
Okay,
I think that
okay.
is what Brother Edis
Yeah.
meant.
Betul. Jadi children like behave, dia tuh mempunyai satu kata yang spesifik ya, sifat yang kekanak-kanakan. Jadi children like behave ini adalah collocation juga. Kecuali kalau children like saja itu tidak ya. Tapi kalau ada children like behave itu termasuk collocation karena dia mempunyai makna yang spesifik, kelakuan yang kekanak-kanakan.
Is the other term of childish?
Yeah, sure. This is the part of collocation. Children like behave.
Alright.
Karena children like behave dia ini menyatu ya. Artinya. Okay, thank you so much, brother. So I understand now your meaning about children like because you put it into a sentence. Thank you. So is there anything else? Anything else, brother and sisters? Or everything is clear?
It's cool. It's helping. It's very good. Now we
Okay.
know what is collocations. Yeah. Okay.
All right. So since there is no more questions, hopefully this material useful for all of you and especially for me, because I think that this sharing is not for teaching but for self-improvement. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not the one who teach you, but you guys that teach me. I learn a lot from you. So that's all from me, brothers and sisters. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. So see you again next time. Maybe I will hand over to Bro Ready.
I think you say we will play game. You say material and then play game.
The game is done.
We will play
It's
game.
done. It's done.
That.
That's about spelling. I think it's game.
It's
Oh my
very
God.
exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So there was very amazing collocations from Brother Adam. Maybe we can see you next. We are looking forward to your next material. You always bring good material, brother. The way you explain is really good. Also understand.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
And yeah, maybe inshallah for the next time, for the next speaker is from Gorontalo. So we would like to invite Brother David, yeah, to be next
Brother David.
speaker. Brother David, are you here? Yeah, I think he said yes. It's okay. Even he. Oh yeah.
Silence means yes.
Okay, right. So the next meeting will be Brother David, yeah? The games or something like that, or sharing or whatever you want to give to us. As long as no dark magic, yeah? So whatever you want to give to us. Hey guys, let's take picture first before we dismiss. Take picture first.
Dismiss, guys.
1, 2, 3. Where is Brother Mufli?
Mr. Dewi just joined.
Okay. Wait, guys, wait. Brother Mulif, just wait. 1, 2. Yes. And Sister Dewi just come, yeah?
Sister Dewi just joined.
Okay, is there anything else, guys, about our sharing or something? Sharing. Okay, no more? Okay, guys, thank you so much for today. Your good life, and then see you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you guys. Brother Eno, where is Brother Monty? Brother Eno, where is Brother Monty?
Bro, hey, sorry.
Choto, bro, Choto.
I got you.
Nah.
Hey, hey, my God, bro, I have puzzle, bro. Hey, I have question.
Mau pergi sunat.
Hey, how many times you do sunat, bro?
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Okay. See you, bro. Get